The agricultural industry. They don't get much tougher than that. Long hours, back-breaking work, few days off. It can be rough on a person. But what about a vehicle? That's exactly why we traveled to Turlock, California, and met up with one of the world's greatest in agricultural trailers and vehicles, DANCO Trailers. In business since 1964, DANCO Trailers is a family-owned company and a company that takes great pride in everything they do.
DANCO Trailers is a custom ag truck body and trailer manufacturer. We build silage equipment and manure spreaders that is geared for the ag industry. My dad started it back in 1964. He had grown up on a farm, he'd seen a lot of things, and he just thought things could be done better. The products that we build is what makes us unique, because it is custom ag equipment. They spread manure in fields to help the crops grow, and they drive alongside the choppers to catch the feed for cattle. And there's not a lot of companies that do that kind of work. We take pride in our work and we take pride in our quality, so people know they're going to get something good.
Catering to the ag industry, DANCO Trailers products are second to none.
DANCO creates three main products: side dumps, chain drives, and manure spreaders, all of which we can build either as a truck body or as a trailer. The manure spreaders spread in the fields, the side dumps stockpile on the side of a field. The chain drives capture what's chopped into them from a chopper. Here in California, we have a lot of regulations, so our equipment closes the lids and closes the side doors and all the openings. When they leave the field to go put it at the dairy, those doors can all close and keep the load covered so that they're not blowing all over the road. Then they get to the dairy, they can open their rear doors and they unload. It's kind of unique. Not a lot of states do it that way.
Dedicated to providing only the finest products, DANCO Trailers manufactures from the ground up.
Manufacturing from the ground up makes the customer more involved. They can decide how wide they want it, how tall they want it, where they want the door. We start from scratch.
Takes a lot of hard work and a lot of experience building frames. You got to do it right. You just don't just go out there and build a frame. There's a lot of other parts that are a lot easier to build, but the frame is the integrity of the piece of equipment. So that's probably the most vital part of what we're doing.
DANCO is noted for their quality. It's supposed to be warranted for a year, but if somebody brings something back that we did wrong 2 years later or whatever, we'll cover it because we stand behind what we do. We do it right.
Always there for the ag industry, DANCO Trailers is one of the world's greatest.